Alright folks, going to take up the FMS Futura V3, 80mm, have a little bit of fun with it.
Put the battery all the way forward. Just got the flag.
Turn it that same direction.
Well, thank you very much.
All right.
Gear up.
Turn it. Turn it. Same direction. You're flying it again. Throttle it all the way down, let it glide. Alright, watch your airplane, what it's doing. You have to look at your airplane. Which one is it? You don't know where it's at. That's that one right there. You see it? Yeah, that's it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Okay. Alright, turn it a little bit.
Landing flaps.
Push it towards Grandpa.
Mid-rates.
Push your stick towards Grandpa. There you go. That's it. Yeah, that's yours way out there. Yeah, yeah. Turn it. Keep turning it. Keep turning it. Some. No, you're flying it. Yeah, yeah. Push it towards me. Watch your airplane though. You have to look at your airplane.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Towards Grandpa more.
Alright, landing left to right.
There it is. Okay, now you can let off.
A little hot. Hold on.
Flaps up.
Okay, it's correct. You just turn it. You see your airplane? No, you're not looking at your airplane. Turn it. Keep turning. Keep turning.
Landing flaps.
Oh, you're messing around. I had to take it. Where's it at? I can't even see it. I hear it.
There it is.
Don't let it get back there so far, okay? Watch your airplane. You have to look at your airplane. Your flying.
Flaps up.
Okay, let it go straight for a little while. You got to stay out of Greg's way.
Flaps up. Landing flaps.
I'll land one of these days.
You're done flying? Okay. Okay.
Brakes off.
I'm not used to flying with no wind to stop me.
Hop secured.
All right. Still. All right. Hey, Fritz. That's the official club mascot there. That's Fritz. All right. Let's get ourselves a battery report. Unplug that beautiful KM model's afterburner. I'm not used to flying with no wind and a bunch of people. 25% left, so it's a good thing we stopped. And that right there, folks, is a good flying jet. Could have done a lot more, but my issue today, and I know it's wah, is number one, we got a plain blue sky and hard to film and hard for orientation for me. If I had some clouds in the background, that would be awesome, but we don't. And I'm used to flying in the afternoons, so the sun is messing with my eyes. So all these things, they don't sound like that big of a deal to you, but when you're the pilot, these things do affect your performance. That battery's pretty hot. Did I say how much was left? 20%. I think it said 25. But my high rates, 28%. All right, we flew, and my mid rates were 80%, 30% expo, and then I flew some at high rates, which are 115 with 30% expo. Now that's, I would fly in the higher rates if I had more wind, because I'm more comfortable in wind, because you all know me, I got so much wind. But today there's no wind, so been a great day to trim a plane. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the FMS FUTURA V3, the FGFRC green mod. That's the only place you can get the green mod. Other than that, you get the FMS one, the straight FMS one. It's red, and there'll be a link in the description of the video. You can take $10 off the price if you can't catch it on sale. That coupon code is good all year round. Either through Hobbyzone is where you get that coupon, or you can buy through FMS, same price, but you help me out. So either way, I appreciate it. Y'all have a good and God bless you. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is good, and V3 Futuras. Bye-bye.